Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Schwab statements and documents safely step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Schwab's official website. Log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Statements section. Select Documents from the available menu options. Choose the specific statement or document you want to backup. Click on the document to open it. Look for the Download or Save option, typically represented by a downward arrow or download button. Select the preferred format, usually PDF for easy access. Click to download the document to your device. Choose a secure location on your device to save the file. Consider creating a dedicated folder for financial documents for better organization. Once saved, ensure the document is scanned for any potential malware. Open your cloud storage service, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Sign in to your cloud storage account. Create a new folder specifically for Schwab documents. Upload the saved statement or document to this folder. Verify that the upload was successful by checking the file's presence in the cloud folder. If possible, enable two-factor authentication on your cloud storage for added security. For physical backups, print the statement if needed. Store printed documents in a secure location, like a locked file cabinet. Regularly update your backups by downloading new statements as they become available. Maintain a consistent backup schedule to ensure all documents are up to date. Review your backup practices periodically to avoid data loss. Keep your devices secure with antivirus software and regular updates. Following these steps will ensure your Schwab statements and documents are backed up safely and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.